Hello dear students of plus 1 medical and non-medical respected teachers. So today I am going to discuss a very important formula known as Poiseuille's formula or Poiseuille's equation. So what is Poiseuille's formula? According to Poiseuille's formula, rate of flow of a liquid or a fluid through a tube of flow. Tube of flow is a cylindrical pipe through which liquid or fluid is flowing. Through which a tube of flow, the rate of flow, that is volume of liquid or fluid flowing per second, is found to be inversely proportional to the length of the tube. V, that is rate of flow or volume flowing per second through a tube of flow, is inversely proportional to its length. Number 2, rate of flow is directly proportional to fourth power of the radius of the tube of flow. And third, rate of flow is inversely proportional to coefficient of viscosity of the fluid. And number 4, rate of flow is directly proportional to pressure difference between the ends of the tube of flow. So if we combine all these four factors, so we get V directly proportional to P r power 4 over eta L, or V is equal to pi by 8. Pi by 8 is a constant of proportionality, and P r 4 upon eta L, and this is known as Poiseuille's equation or Poiseuille's formula. Now, how to drive it? Derivation is very simple. We can drive this relation by using method of dimensions in a simple way. Suppose there are three factors P upon L. V is directly proportional to P upon L power A. P upon L is known as pressure gradient because P represents the change in pressure and L represents the length of tube or the difference between ends of the tube of flow. So P upon L, or you can say dP by dL, so is known as pressure gradient. So number 1, V rate of flow is equal to K. We can write pressure gradient power A, suppose, R power B, suppose, and eta power C, where A, B and C are the dimensions of pressure gradient, radius and coefficient of viscosity of the fluid. So equation number 1. Then write dimensional formula on both sides. Volume, the rate of flow means L cube T minus 1. Pressure M1, forceful area L minus 1 T minus 2 upon L power A. Radius L power B. Coefficient of viscosity M1 L minus 1 T minus 1 power C. So we can write it M0 L3 T minus 1, M power A from here and C from here, M power A plus C, L power minus 1 minus 2, so minus 2A from here, B from here plus B minus C from here. So L power minus 2A plus B minus C, T power minus 2A from here minus C from here, so minus 2A minus C. Now comparing powers of ML and D on both sides, so we have A plus C is equal to 0, minus 2A plus B minus C is equal to 3, and minus 2A minus C is equal to minus 1. We simplify these equations. So from these two equations, C cancels. If we add them, first and third equation, so minus 2A plus A is equal to minus A is equal to minus 1, or A is equal to 1. If A is equal to 1 from this equation, C is equal to minus 1. So putting A is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 1 in this equation. So we have minus 2 into 1 plus B minus 1 minus into minus 1 is equal to 3. Or simplifying, B is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1, that is B is equal to 4. Substituting these values in equation number 1, so we have V is equal to K, P power L power 1, R power 4, eta power minus 1, or V is equal to pi by 8, P R 4 upon eta L, because value of constant cannot be obtained using this method of dimensions. So from experiments, value of K comes out to be pi by 8. So this is known as Poiseuille's formula or Poiseuille's equation, which gives the rate of flow of the liquid. So this is all about Poiseuille's equation and Poiseuille's formula. Again, very important formula. And so more viscous the liquid, you can say less is the rate of flow. More is the length of the tube of flow, let's say the rate of flow. And more is the radius of the tube, more will the rate of flow, volume flowing per second, because it is directly power R power 4. And more is the pressure difference, more is the rate of flow. So then all the best, be happy, stay tuned for next videos, and I am giving you free education. So ask your friends and colleagues to subscribe my channel and be happy, and no physics sitting at home. Be happy. All the best.